Ask Nutrition is Deepa's whole food, plant-based, no oil, guilt-free recipe videos, and today I am going to show you how to make a flax egg, which is a perfect substitute for an egg. Specifically, if you are looking to use or you looking to replace egg as a binder, or in your baking recipe for whole food plant-based brownies or loaves, burgers, patties, etc. So it's a very simple recipe. You take some ground flax seeds. Flax seeds have a lot of health benefits associated with them. They are a good source of omega-3, which is a very healthy fat for our brain and our heart. Then they are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber. Both of these fiber help us reduce cholesterol and or remove excess fat from our system, thus aid in weight loss. So basically, to make the flax egg, I have taken 3 tablespoons of flax meal or ground up flax, and you want to make sure this is finely ground. And to that I'm going to add approximately 7.5 tablespoons of water. So one. This is not to be used to make omelets or scrambled egg. You can use tofu for that. And then you are just going to whisk it together as if you are whisking an egg. Just make sure that the flaxseed powder is all blended with the water, and then just allow it to hang around for a few minutes, or maybe 5 to 7 minutes, and it will gel, or it will start to gel. Now you can add a little bit of extra water if it gels too much. It really depends on the humidity and how old your flaxseed powder is, and that affects these gelling properties. But again, once this is done, you can use it as a binder. You can use it in baking. Definitely you can substitute eggs with this flaxseed egg. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and 2 tablespoons of water can be substituted as an egg. So that's it, and I'm going to proceed with my next recipe using this flax egg, but I thought I will show you guys how I make my flax egg. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.